Today's exercise is great for preparing the body before any other yoga asanas. So, let's grab our yoga mat and get started. Namaste. Sit on your yoga mat. Straighten your legs. With inhale, bend your feet toward your body from ankle. And with exhale, bend your feet away from your body. Grab your hands under your knees and straighten your back. Straighten your knees as much as you can with inhale, and with exhale, bend your knees. Grab your ankle. With inhale, pull your feet toward your head. Try to keep your knees straight. Let's do it with the other leg. Inhale, exhale. Grab your ankle. Inhale, exhale. Bend your right leg and put it on the left thigh. And rotate your ankle. The other way around now. Put your ankle on your thigh and with inhale push your knee away from your body and with exhale pull it back. Let's do it with the other leg. Inhale, exhale. Open your legs as wide as your mat and fist your hands. With an inhale, bring up your hands from the sides and with exhale, bend forward. Inhale, pull your body back a bit and with an exhale, bend forward. Now reverse. With inhale, pull your body up and with exhale, bend forward. And relax with your breath. Grab your feet. Inhale, open your chest, bring up your chin. And with exhale, curve your back. Sit in butterfly position. Inhale, bring up your knee. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, push your knees down with your hands. In a circular motion, move forward and backward. And reverse. Put your hands behind your hips. With inhale, lift your right leg. With exhale, bring it down. And now the left leg. Bend your knees. Push your thigh into your belly. Bring your head close to your knees. Lay down. Lift your right leg with inhale. And with exhale, bring it down. Do it with your left leg. For the next exercise, you can put your hands under your hips. Both legs straight. Bring your legs up and down. If you have back pain, you can do it with bended knees. Bend your knees, feet on the ground, open your legs, hips width wide, hands beside your hips. With inhale, bring up your hips. And with exhale, hips and spine on the ground. With an inhale, bend your right knee. Exhale, close your knee to your head. Inhale and exhale. Twist to the left. And the other side. Inhale, exhale. Twist to the right side. Put your hands on your knees and move them slowly. Move your legs in a circular motion. Now reverse. Relax your legs. Grab your feet and go to happy baby pose. Lay down and relax. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.